so great to see our friend Aaron Walquist from Habitat for Humanity Restore. Good to see you again.
Great to see you all again.
We love playing the reprices, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Because we are really bad at guessing. But
we have some things today to help you a little bit.
perfect.
Oh, okay.
Before we get to that, though, so much is happening at Habitat for Humanity
Yes.
and the Restore.
Yes. First off, the Restore director said there's one thing that I have to say, and that is shop at Springfield's only thrift superstore.
Do it.
Superstore, okay.
Thrift superstore. We actually, it hit us that we really didn't consider ourselves as a thrift store. And then because we have so much more, as you know.
Yeah.
And we thought, you know what? We're really kind of more of a thrift superstore.
Yeah.
We really are.
Yeah. So
I actually have two things I need to come and donate. I just have not had time, but I will get
I actually do
on this.
too.
Okay, well, bring them.
Now, you just had a kickoff with a homebuyer partner.
Yes, we actually did. It was great. AmProd funded a revitalization, if you will, for a home, a partner home buyer. They donated $50,000 towards this home. Wow. Unbelievable. And ROOV, R-O-O-V, I don't know if you ever heard them, but they donated the labor for putting a new roof on, and Gaff, they actually donated all the materials. So it's really
Wow.
It was cool. It was amazing.
That is beautiful.
Ashley is the partner home buyer, and she's awesome. Look that up on Facebook.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, and then of course, Halloween is on Friday, but
Yes.
we're going to get over that real quick because we got lots of holidays.
Yes, we
coming
got
up.
a lot of holidays, but Halloween, if you stop by, I did not get this approved, by the way.
Okay.
Breaking news right here.
Stop by on Halloween and say you saw this on Unscripted, and we'll give you either a Reese's or a full-size Snickers.
Ooh, I could go
So-
for a full-size Snickers.
Yeah, I know. Who couldn't?
Amen.
Right.
Right.
So then after, obviously, you
yes.
got November 1st into
Yes.
December
so
and those big
November
holidays.
1st, that's when Christmas starts at the Restore. So stop by. We've got all kinds of Christmas stuff. And I don't know if you plan on making something this year.
I'm happy to make something.
Okay,
You know, you ain't got to twist my arm. I love making
But
Christmas.
yes, we got Christmas trees. We have ornaments. We have you name it. People donate all kinds of stuff to us.
Okay.
And then mid-November, Rock the Block.
Rock the Block, yes. That's where we go to Woodland Heights and we revitalize that neighborhood. We have volunteers that come on board. By the way, join the Facebook group on our Facebook page for volunteering. That's how you can follow and see what's going on. But yes, that's 13th through the 15th. And we still have a couple of holes to fill for that. So we still need a couple of volunteers. But
awesome.
yeah, we mow, we weed eat, we just clean up the area.
Great idea.
Love it. Okay, and then a Women Build Luncheon.
Yes, Women Build Luncheon. Yes, that kickoff is on December the 10th.
There it is, yeah.
Yes, so the whole objective for Women Build, what we do is our goal, I should say, is to fully fund a home built by women.
That's
Amazing.
awesome.
So it's really cool. We have women volunteers, and throughout the year we will be building a home.
It says
So-
girls play house, women build them.
Yes.
Oh, I love
yeah. Oh,
That is
yeah.
So
amazing.
yes,
That's
thought
right.
you might like that. Sure, we're gonna have new shirts this year.
It's super soft, too.
Yes, I know, and that was the request by the event coordinator and
Well, that's awesome.
director.
So much is happening. Make
Yes.
sure you check their social media and their website. But we have the RePrice is Right
Yes.
game, which is great. We're going to see items that were at the Restore.
Yes.
And, okay, so here's the beautiful graphic. Let's
Okay.
take a look.
Here we go.
Okay, here we go.
All right.
We'll take a look. And if you want to describe them, Aaron, you can. Oh, Miss Maddie.
Okay.
you're not- There we go. Sorry.
right.
I was bumping
No,
you
that's
off.
okay.
I was bumping you off. Okay, here we go. Our first item
Okay, all right.
is... Okay.
Yes,
Ooh, West Elm.
Yes.
Good.
this was a brand new item. Actually, 2 items, as you see. So it was a set. And to help you out a little bit, you see that we gave the retail price. This is estimated retail price because and that's the thing. You can search and
So the retail price of the buffet was $1,059, median console $779. So together that's like $1,800.
Yes.
So I'm guessing together that was probably then if it's $1,500.
Okay, I'm going to go a little bit lower, $1,200.
Okay, let's see.
The reprice is $425.
yeah,
For both?
yeah.
Oh my
Yep.
gosh.
And you said those are brand new?
They are brand new. Yep.
Oh my gosh.
It was amazing.
It is a really good
Yeah.
We had these in the Parade of Homes, Flint Rock Homes
Yeah.
Parade
Okay.
Homes a couple weeks ago. Yep.
Let's take a
Wow.
look at the next one. Next one, please.
Ooh.
Yes.
This is a hybrid trainer recumbent elliptical. Actual retail price between $100 and $200. Okay, so
I almost bought this one, by the way.
Yeah, 'cause you can sit and do it or you can do the other. I'm going to
Yeah.
say 48.
I'm gonna say $79.
Those are great guesses.
45!
Oh, very
45.
close.
Okay.
Yeah, very close.
Pretty
As you can
close.
see, there's a little bit of a trend towards it's
Yeah.
gonna be a lot lower.
But that looks so nice. That looks in great condition.
It really does.
Okay, let's see it. Okay, here's the one that I wanted so bad, guys. I'm obsessed with these chairs. These are walnut brown wood hand-carved armchairs. $400 each, guys. I'm obsessed. So that's $800 total. They're hand-carved. You have to sell them for at least $700. They're hand-carved.
Okay. So you're saying
$700.
7, okay.
They're already sold, by the way.
I know,
They
because
went
I
quickly.
wanted them.
Yeah.
I'm going to say 380. 250.
250.
Oh my gosh.
I would have bought them for $250.
I was thinking in the 200s.
I would've
but
bought them
was
for
like, oh, he said
700, Aaron.
7, I got to go higher.
I would have bought them for $700. Okay, this one is a curved glass curio cabinet with wood carvings.
Beautiful.
Estimated price $250 to $350. I love this. My grandma has one similar. So I would say you definitely sell it for $199.
I'm going to say 89.
Give you a second guess. It's lower.
Oh, it's 85!
Five.
I was gonna try to. You were close.
I
You
know. I'm in the
You're
You're
ballpark.
getting much better. Much better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this. Is the repurposed item. So
Yes.
they took this chandelier and they're going to repurpose it. The value is $75 to $100. I love this almost stained glass look. I love it. Okay.
blue, those blues.
I'm going to say it's probably $60.
I'm going to go I'm going to go lower. I'm going to
Try
say
it. Go low.
I'm going to say 33.
Price?
35.
Oh, you did it!
I did it.
Okay, and then wait, see what they've transformed this into.
Yes.
A beautiful
Oh,
planter. for
That
outside.
is so
Yes.
cool. I love that.
I do want to
That's
mention that MSU Design and Construction Team, they have a competition on, oh man, I got to remember this, November 11th at the Restore. So they got all the materials and everything from the Restore, and they're doing a little competition at 6 o'clock on the 11th, and open to the public. So
And
That's
there's
awesome.
the QR code.
Marco.
Scan that
Yep.
right now. All the information you need. I want those chairs so bad. I'm losing my voice over it.
I know you are, Jeremy.
I will
Aaron,
hold them the next time they
yes,
come in.
great to see you. Thank you so much.